Imagine you're driving, music on, when suddenly, that dreaded orange check engine light pops up on your dashboard. Your heart drops. Panic sets in. You start imagining the worst. Huge repair bills, being stranded, disaster. But here's the truth. It's not a death sentence for your car. That light is your car's way of saying it needs a little attention, not a reason to panic. Most of the time, it's something minor, like a loose gas cap or a sensor. Today, I'll show you how to turn that panic into power and use simple tools to understand your car. You're about to learn how to take control and drive with confidence. Let's get started. So, how do you talk to your car? The answer: OBD2, Onboard Diagnostics, version 2. Since 1996, every car has a computer brain monitoring everything from exhaust to coolant. OBD2 is a universal system. No matter the make, your car speaks this language. Before OBD2, every manufacturer had their own confusing system. Now it's standardized. OBD2 constantly checks your car's health using sensors everywhere. When something's off, the computer stores a trouble code and turns on the check engine light. These codes are your car's way of telling you what's wrong. There are two main types: generic codes, P0X, and manufacturer-specific codes, P1X. Generic codes are the ones you'll see most often. Each code points to a specific system or issue. Think of them as clues, not answers. OBD2 gives you the power to peek under the hood, no grease required. Let's see how you can use it. Ready to listen to your car? You'll need an OBD2 scanner. Good news. They're cheap and easy to use. Handheld or Bluetooth both work. Find your car's OBD2 port, usually under the dashboard near the driver's seat. It's a trapezoid-shaped plug, often above the pedals. Plug in your scanner with the ignition off, turn the key to on. Don't start the engine. The scanner powers up and connects to your car's computer. On the scanner, select Read Codes, or Scan. In seconds, you'll see any trouble codes on the screen. If you're using a Bluetooth scanner, pair it with your phone and use the app. That's it, you've just unlocked your car's secrets. No mechanic required. You're in control now. Let's decode what those codes mean. You've got a code, maybe P0442 or P0302. What now? Don't panic. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when that check engine light pops on. But remember, your car is just trying to communicate with you. These codes are clues, not commands. They're like hints your car gives you, pointing you in the right direction. For example, P0442 means a small leak in the fuel vapor system, often just a loose gas cap. Before you worry, check the simplest things first. P0302? That's a misfire in cylinder 2. Could be a spark plug, wire, or coil. Sometimes it's just a worn-out part that needs replacing. The code tells you where to look, not what to replace. It's a starting point, not a final answer. Write down the code and search online for your car's make and model. You'll be surprised how much information is out there. You'll find forums and videos from people who've had the same issue. Many have already solved the problem and shared their solutions. Most problems are common and have simple fixes. Sometimes all it takes is a quick adjustment or a new part. The code narrows down the mystery, turning a big problem into a manageable one. It's like having a roadmap to the solution. Don't let the jumble of letters and numbers intimidate you. They're just your car's way of asking for a little attention. Use the code as a starting point for your investigation. You're the detective now, piecing together the clues. With a little research, you'll know what to check first. Step by step, you'll get closer to the answer. The check engine light is just your car asking for help. It's not a reason to panic, but a reason to pay attention. Now you know how to listen. With a little patience and curiosity, you can solve most issues and keep your car running smoothly. Here's the best part. Most check engine light issues are easy DIY fixes that anyone can tackle at home. Let's start with the gas cap, which is one of the most common culprits. If it's loose or the seal is bad, just tighten or replace it. Problem solved, and you're already on your way to saving money. Next up, check your engine air filter. A dirty filter can trigger the light and hurt your car's performance. Swap it out in minutes for just a few bucks. It's a quick job that makes a big difference. Third, let's talk spark plugs. If you get a misfire code, replacing the spark plug for that cylinder can fix the issue and keep your engine running smoothly. All these jobs just need basic tools and a little patience. You don't need a fancy garage or expensive equipment. After fixing, the light may take a day or two to turn off. or you can clear the code instantly with your OBD2 scanner. Don't be afraid to try. These repairs save you money, build your confidence, and help you understand your car better. Most fixes are simple, affordable, and totally doable right in your own driveway, even if you're a beginner. Your OBD2 scanner tells you exactly where to look, making troubleshooting much easier. You don't need to be a mechanic, just willing to learn and take that first step. Start small, and you'll be amazed at what you can do. Each repair makes you more capable and independent. The check engine light doesn't stand a chance. With a little effort, you've got this. Your car and your wallet will thank you. DIY is great, but know your limits. If the check engine light is flashing, stop driving. This means a serious misfire that can destroy your catalytic converter. Transmission, ABS, or airbag codes, leave those to the pros. Some repairs need special tools or expertise. Don't risk safety or bigger bills. If a job involves major engine work, lots of fluids, or tools you've never heard of, call a mechanic. Use your scanner to get informed, but don't be afraid to ask for help. Knowing when to call a pro is just as important as fixing things yourself. Your safety and your car are worth it. Be smart, not stubborn. Sometimes the best tool is a trusted mechanic. Let's wrap it up. That check engine light doesn't have to scare you anymore. With a basic OBD2 scanner and a little know-how, you're in control. Diagnose and fix simple problems yourself. Save money and stress. Even if you need a mechanic, you'll walk in informed and confident. You'll know the code, the likely cause, and what to ask. Mechanics respect informed customers, and you'll get better service. Understanding OBD2 is about empowerment. Turn panic into action and fear into confidence. Your car is a big investment. Protect it with knowledge. You don't need to be a pro, just curious and willing to learn. Plug in, listen, and take charge. You've got the power. Now use it.